Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design the logo of YouTube. So let's start the video. So friends, at first you have to set up a face. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select transform here, then click on this box and type here 3.5, then click on this box and type here 2. Then click on the create. Then you have to select the shape tool, then select the rectangle tool, then you have to draw the shape in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. Then click on the fill, then select the red color. Then select the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. Right, you have to select the shape tool, then select this. Then click on here, then select this box and type here 3, then click on the OK. Then you have to select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here, then you have to rotate this. Then you have to select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this and drag this in here. Then drag this in the middle. Then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this again. Then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then you have to decrease the size of this. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful for you, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.